This is Billy. He has a lot of stuff on his desk, especially cables. He uses a regular Type-C cable to charge his new MacBook, and he's having trouble unplugging his laptop all the time. This is Colin. He has a lot of stuff on his desk too, especially cables. He uses a Baseus Type-C cable to charge his MacBook Pro, and he never had any trouble with unplugging his laptop. Baseus is the world's first and fastest magnetic USB Type-C cable for new MacBook Pro and any USB-C devices. With the magnetic adapter, it's convenient and simple. This is Mocha. He's going to break Billy's laptop today by stumbling over the cable. This is Matcha. I know he looks exactly like Mocha, but trust me, he's Matcha. Anyway, he's going to break Billy's laptop today by... Wait, he won't, because the Baseus Type-C cable is magnetic. Billy enjoys movie time in bed and usually needs to charge his laptop in the dark. It's not easy. However, with the magnetic function, Colin can easily charge his laptop in the dark with 1 second. One day, Billy needs to take his laptop for work, but it's dying, so he charged it with his regular Type-C cable, and it's slow. With superior wiring technology, the Baseus Type-C cable achieves the max current range of 4.3 amps, which is double the speed of most Type-C cables on the market. Powerful, steady, uninterrupted. Cables get bent a lot, and you may find a regular cable gets broken and dirty frequently. Annoyed? No worries! The Baseus Type-C cable adopts the innovative L design, which prevents the cord from being bent, and the premium TPE braided nylon surface is more durable and cleaner than any other cable. Besides, the Baseus Type-C cable is compatible with other USB-C devices like notebooks, tablets, and smartphones. Now, say goodbye to other Type-C cables with Baseus, the world's fastest magnetic USB Type-C cable. Innovate the way to charge your new MacBooks and any other USB-C devices.